Hey guys, check this out. It's the new Chow haul table from Combat Off-Road. So let's bust this thing open and see what comes in the box. Securely packaged, the first thing we find is the Chow haul table itself. And man, is this thing heavy. Next is the back panel support piece, instructions for a JL, some Combat Off-Road stickers, and all the hardware you could ever need and more. So with all that out of the box, let's take a closer look at the table. All of the materials appear to be very high quality, and the finish is great too. Let's take a look at the table itself. Right away you can see the included MOLLE surface for mounting extra gear. Behind that you can see the removable 29-inch by 15-inch high-density polyurethane cutting board. Heavy-duty locking latches keep the table secure. Opening it up, you can see the removable Combat Off-Road logo right in the middle. They mount this using 4 bolts, so you can actually take it out and paint it to match your theme. Sliding out the cutting board, it's even larger than it looked online, and it locks nicely into place. And closing it all up, the rubber bushings in the anti-rattle system seem to really do their job. This thing is silent. So to get this installed, let's first remove the heavy table portion. The arms attach using 10mm locking nuts. The table itself connects using a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 10mm nut. Once we have one side disconnected, it's time to do the other. Now we can separate the table into 2 easier to manage pieces. And this is all the hardware that you'll have to keep track of. Now let's pull out the rest of the needed hardware for the install. Since the kit is made for multiple vehicles, we need to pick the long bolts for the Jeep JL. Next we can grab washers. Either size will work, but I went with the smaller ones. Finally, we need to grab the 2 sets of spacers. You'll notice one set is slightly longer than the other. I'll call that out later in the video. So with everything ready, let's head out to the Jeep. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the plastic trim panel from your tailgate. Once removed, we need to look for the 4 places we'll drill holes to mount our table. These are all well marked, which makes it pretty easy. The bottom 2 markings will be visible in the mold itself. Grabbing a 1/2-inch bit, we can now drill out the holes. Take your time as there's no need to rush, and the spacers will eventually go into these openings. With all the holes drilled out, we can now put the plastic panel back in place. The holes we drilled will line up with the threaded bosses in the Jeep's tailgate. Next, grab 2 bolts, washers, and the longer spacers. Grab your backing plate and do a test fit to make sure that your holes line up. Once good, insert the longer spacers into the bottom holes. Place the backing plate against the table and insert your bolts. Align the bolts with the spacers on the tailgate and then start to tighten them down by hand. Once secure, you can loosely tighten the bolt. Now we can repeat the process on the other side on the bottom. With the table loosely installed, place the shorter spacers in the top holes. Now align your bolts with the spacers and hand tighten. Repeat on the other side. Once secure, tighten all of the mounting bolts in a star pattern. With the mount in place, we can now reinstall the table. Insert the bolt through the mount, add the rubber washer, and secure the table using the lock nut. Once loosely mounted, repeat on the other side. With both sides loosely mounted, place the arms back into their mounting holes. Now we can tighten down the bolts connecting the table. And finally, we can put the nuts for the arms back on. With everything tight, we can finally close it up and admire how good this thing looks. But let's open those secure latches and really check this thing out. The black powder coat looks amazing, and the cutting board is huge. Removing the plastic, you can see the gloss black finish, which really makes the whole thing pop. All in all, this thing looks incredible, and I can't wait to put it to the paces out on the trails. It's packed with features, super solid, and made to last. If you guys want to pick up one of your own, check out the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.